everybody, it's Tess with Rowe Dental Lab, and today I want to talk with you about exploring the world of digital dentures when you're looking to do an immediate case but sending analog records. Many doctors that send cases into us are still sending analog records, whether that might be stone models, PVS impressions, you name it, to fabricate their immediate denture cases. I love when doctors start out with this style of digital denture because it's a great way to get your feet wet, see what you think about the material, the teeth, the shades we have available, all that good stuff while we're still making a patient a permanent denture later on. So let's start off with the records you need to send into us for a digital impact denture with analog records. Just like you would for a regular denture case, we need upper model, lower model, as well as a bite. From there, we can go right to a finished impact denture, but if you'd like to work on the patient's VDO or verify anything to do with their opening, we can return a partial bite block to you for those edentulous areas if you want to go down that avenue. If not, like I mentioned, we'll just go right to a final denture, and you can always include previous photos of the patient if you'd like us to mimic their tooth shape, contour, any details like that for their immediate denture. If you'd like to learn more, check out our website or call into our lab regarding how we can support you, and feel free to follow us on our socials for the latest and greatest updates. We look forward to fabricating your first immediate digital denture case with you. Thank you.